Are you looking for the best fabric cutting machines in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best fabric cutting machines that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Cricut Explore Air. The easy-to-use Cricut Explore Air wireless cutting machine is an excellent option if you're just getting started with fabric cutting. The product comes with a handy getting started guide that provides users with all the information and ideas they need to work with the device and spark their creativity. The Bluetooth feature makes wireless cutting possible, so you can spread out and create in a cord-free environment. With a dual carriage available, this fabric cutting machine can conduct several processes simultaneously, for example, cutting and writing or cutting and scoring. This device cuts over 60 different types of fabric, from delicate vellum to thick leather. The Smart Set dial allows you to adjust settings for different materials easily. Compatible with many different file formats such as SVG, BMP, JPG, GIF, PNG, and DFX, you can upload your own images for free. Alternatively, you can choose from a vast library of 3,000+ compatible images. You also get free access to the Cricut Design Space software online. An iPad app is also available. With integrated storage compartments, this fabric cutting machine offers plenty of space to keep tools and add-ons close by and safe. The Cricut Explore Air is compatible with all Cricut cartridges. Moving on at number 4. We have the Sizzix Big Shot Starter Kit. The portable Sizzix Big Shot Starter Kit can cut as well as emboss a variety of materials, including tissue, paper, cardstock, cork, felt, and balsa wood. This manual model is one of the best fabric die cutting machines on the market. Hobby crafters can use the device to make unique invitations, greeting cards, clothes, home decor, quilts, and more. It is compatible with Sizzix's entire product library and can be used together with other devices, including dies and embossing tools made by other brands. These features make the Sizzix Big Shot a highly flexible tool among cutting machines for fabric. The product comes with an extended multi-purpose platform and a set of standard cutting pads. Finally, there are some sample dies and cardstock sheets included in the package, so you can start crafting right away. At only 7.5 pounds, you can bring this lightweight machine wherever you go, whether you are meeting your crafting guild at the local fabric store or you're bringing it to school or work. Especially suited for beginners, the Sizzix Big Shot Starter Kit is easy to operate and can be expanded with different add-ons that extend its capabilities. At number 3, we have the Brother SDX125E electronic cutting machine. The Brother SDX125E electronic cutting machine is an efficient model for hobby crafters who are looking for clean results. This fabric cutting machine stands out because of its inbuilt scanner technology Scan and Cut DC, which allows you to cut materials like foam or felt without frayed edges. The Brother SDX125E uses an automatic blade that detects a material's thickness and adjusts itself for a sharp cut edge. This cutter does not require a computer or another device as it comes with a 5-inch touchscreen, where you can get creative and make or edit your design. Choose from a collection of 682 editable built-in designs, featuring quilt patterns, letter fonts, and themed SVG files. Both sewers and quilters will appreciate the ability to choose seam allowances in quarter-inch increments, which makes it easy to assemble clothes, quilts, and other craft projects. The product is compatible with wireless internet and gives you access to Brother Canvas workspace from your preferred device, whether you are working from a computer, phone, or tablet. You can send files directly from the virtual design space to the machine. The high-end technology of the SDX125E makes it one of the best cutting machines for fabric on the market. At number 2, we have the Silhouette Cameo 3. The Silhouette Cameo is a flexible electric fabric cutting machine that handles a range of materials, such as paper, fabric, vinyl, or cardstock. This device offers one of the largest cutting spaces among fabric cutting machines, as it has the ability to cut certain materials such as vinyl without a mat. It can tackle materials up to 12 inches in width and 10 feet in length. The Silhouette Cameo uses a dual carriage that makes it not only compatible with different tools but eases the process of switching them out. The dual carriage's markings tell you exactly where each tool belongs, whether you are using a sketch pen or a blade. It also allows additional clearance of 2 mm for cutting thicker fabrics. This fabric cutting machine comes with a new self-adjusting cutting blade called Auto Blade, which eases the process of preparing the cut. With convenient additional storage space inside the machine itself, all tools and features are safely kept in one place. The product includes the versatile Silhouette Studio design software, which offers digital tools to create and design countless projects. You can work on a computer, phone, or tablet. The Silhouette Cameo can be operated wirelessly via Bluetooth or plugged into a computer via USB. And finally at number 1. We have the Cricut Maker. The Cricut Maker is a powerful and versatile professional-level crafting tool that cuts over 300 different types of material. Because this fabric cutting machine can be equipped with advanced add-on tools, this device can help you realize a myriad of projects. Whether you are looking to cut a thin, sensitive fabric, crafting paper, or thick, tougher materials like basswood, matboard, or leather, the Cricut Maker has your back. This cutting machine for fabrics comes with a rotary blade that handles fabrics without backing, a premium fine point blade, as well as a fine point pen. For denser materials of up to 24 mm in thickness, use the knife blade add-on, sold separately. Cricut Maker can also engrave, score, or deboss materials when used with a specialty tip, sold separately. As part of the package, you get 2 machine mats, a set of practice materials, as well as 50 ready-to-make project designs, including 25 free sewing patterns. You can add 500+ sewing patterns from top companies to your collection, sold separately. Cricut Maker comes with state-of-the-art software, compatible with iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac. The machine is equipped with wireless Bluetooth technology, but it's also compatible with USB. Overall, it is the best fabric cutting machine for hobby crafters as well as professionals. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.